Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to get a YouTube subscribe link so that when somebody clicks on your link, it won't have to take them right up to your channel page. You will just show them a subscribe link that will enable them to subscribe before getting to your channel. So let me show you how to do that. So I'll go to my channel, and then what you want to do is click here and go to the description of this video, copy the text that I'll put there. I'll put it in quotes, so copy that text and paste here. This text is starting from the question mark, which is question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. So this is what you add to this your channel URL. So I'll just copy the whole of this now. After you've pasted that, you copy the whole of that, and this is the link that you can share to someone so that that person can subscribe to your channel directly. So I'll paste this in a new tab so you'll see what it looks like. So I'll click on enter. Now as you can see, confirm channel subscription, and that person will click on subscribe. So if this is on a mobile device, it won't come up right to this step here. It will just show you, it will just say subscribe, and that person will click on subscribe, and that's it. That's how you get custom URL. That's how you get a subscribe link for your YouTube videos, for your YouTube channel. So let me enter that one more time so that you see it. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Che Destiny? It's my channel, so I won't subscribe, so I'll click on cancel. So that's it. That's how to get a custom URL. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you in another video.